Hi, Alex here from the Emirates with Autonomous. Today we have this tremendous live market call. I invite you to see it until the very end. Hopefully you find it useful in your own investment and clearly demonstrates 100% accuracy. Invest in financial markets and you can use it in any financial asset, stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, ETFs, and even futures. I also invite you to follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you.
Live with Twitter. As you could see, it is live here, 100% accuracy. So you're given a price target on Twitter, $38. Today you have $37.10. We are no longer interested in maintaining a long position in Twitter and waiting for the stock to report earnings and or $38. Therefore, we are selling Twitter, okay? Because the ratings, they have been very clear. Zhang, we sold here, we reversed to the short side. You were told could cover short positions here, reversing to the long side. And today we are dumping Twitter. So I'm going here to type. I'm out of Twitter as the bulls, they come back in euphoria. Okay, so good luck to you. This is our final opinion. If you wish to remain long the stock, it is up to you.